Signal bars and key bars. Regardless of your trading strategy, you can utilize candlestick patterns as a confirmation when you're considering to open a position in order to make your entry point more accurate and efficient. A signal bar simply lets us know that we're witnessing a potential entry opportunity. However, we cannot solely rely on a signal bar to enter a trade. For example, when price is in a resistance zone, if a pin bar or similar candle such as doji or hanging man candle is formed, we can consider ourselves warned that this resistance zone would likely reject the price. However, we would still not enter the trade, and we should wait for the key bar candle to close. The key bar candle should in some ways be similar to an engulfing candle pattern. To elaborate, the key bar candle should engulf our signal candle in the direction of our prediction based on our analysis, which in this case is bearish, or it should at least close its body below the close of our signal candle. Through witnessing a valid key bar candle, the validity of this resistance zone would considerably increase and we can enter the trade with more confidence. Now let's check out another example where we can analyze the signal and key bar candles in trendline breakouts, which is considered a very simple yet useful trading strategy. The candle which validly breaks the trend line is considered our signal candle, and the next candle which can noticeably increase the validity of our analysis is the key bar candle. The key bar candle is formed after the signal candle and it has to be in the same direction as our analysis and the signal bar. Furthermore, it has to cover or engulf the signal bar, or it at least needs to have a higher or lower close compared to the signal bar, which in this case, since our analysis is indicating a bearish movement, the key bar's close needs to at least be below the signal bar, which in this case is a clear indication that our analysis could have a good bearish reaction. Please note that you should not really bother yourself with the many existing variations of these candlestick patterns, as these patterns should be looked at as a concept rather than strict formations with many names. For example, signal bars usually look very similar to pin bars, and key bars usually look similar to engulfing candles. By considering the concepts behind the signal bar and key bar candles, and furthermore aiding them to various trading strategies, we can lower the risk of making an entry. Always remember that apart from our strategy, we should always pay attention to the market sentiment and use the signal bar and key bar candles only to get an entry confirmation for that specific strategy. The signal and key bar candles both play a vital role in most trading strategies, especially price action. In future videos, we would dive deeper into these concepts and the trading strategies that come along with them. Now you can head on over to a chart and try to find as many of these signal and key bar candles as you can, or simply use TradeDesk, and through a simple click of a button, you can find countless candlestick formations live on the market.